In this video, you're going to learn how to find a hole in a blow-up air mattress or air bed. So the first thing you want to do is get all the stuff off the bed, wipe it all down, get it all clean so there's nothing in the way. Then you're going to get a spray bottle filled with water. If you want, you can put a little soap in the water so that when you find the holes, it'll bubble. And then cover inch by inch the entire bed. Now I've already sprayed down most of this bottom and the sides, and then I got this side here, and I found a hole, and you can hear it whistle, so I marked it with a Sharpie, and you can see there it is bubbling, so you can tell that the hole is there. And that is it. That's all you have to do to find a hole in your air mattress.